In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aggregate function in Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along. The Aggregate function is a powerhouse for summary calculations because it lets you perform tasks like sums, averages, counts, and more, while optionally ignoring things that usually get in the way, such as hidden rows, errors, and even nested subtotals. Here's the syntax we'll use. Aggregate function num, options array, k. Think of it this way. Function num tells Excel which calculation to perform. Options tells it what to ignore. Array is the range of data you want to analyze. And k is an optional input used by certain functions, like when you want the first, second, or third largest value. To make picking the calculation easier, here are some common function numbers you'll use with Aggregate. Average is 1, count is 2, counter is 3, max is 4, min is 5, sum is 9, large is 14, and small is 15. You will plug these right into the first argument of the formula. Let's walk through a practical example. Summing values while ignoring errors. Imagine your data in A1 through A4 is 10, 20, an error like had div 0, and 30. A regular sum would return an error, but Aggregate handles it cleanly. Type Aggregate 9#2 A1 A4. Here, 9 means sum, and the options value of 2 tells Excel to ignore errors. The result is 60 because it adds 10, 20, and 30 and skips the error. Next, let's average values, but only from visible rows, which is perfect for filtered lists. Use Aggregate 1 A1 A10. The 1 means average, and the options value of 1 instructs Excel to ignore hidden rows. This way, your average reflects just what you can see. As a reminder, that same formula, Aggregate 1001 A1 A10, is the go-to pattern anytime you want a visible cells-only average. Now let's find the largest value while keeping the data clean. Enter. Aggregate 14 6 A1 A10.1. The 14 selects the large function, the options value configures what to ignore, and the final one asks for the largest value. If you wanted the second largest, you would change that last argument to 2. This is especially handy when your range might contain hidden rows or occasional errors. To recap quickly, open Excel, use the Aggregate syntax with the right function number, choose options to ignore hidden rows, errors, or nested subtotals, specify your data range, and add k when the function needs it. With just these pieces, you can build robust, error-resistant summaries that work beautifully with filtered or imperfect data. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.